Hi, we're Scott and Kelly. Thank you for joining us today at Truman State Park on Truman Lake. Harry S. Truman State Park is also known simply as Truman State Park. It is located in west central Missouri on a peninsula on Truman Lake just outside of Warsaw, Missouri. The park opened in 1983 and offers camping, hiking, boating, and swimming.
We are at Truman State Park this weekend, and this is the site we have. We're at site 108, and it's quite beautiful. Lots of trees, wilderness surrounding it. You can hear the cicadas, not right now, but they get pretty loud, mostly in the afternoon, and they're a little spastic. But we think this is a pretty nice place. This is probably a place that we would be willing to come back to and probably pick this site again. And this site right next door is a nice big family site over here. I don't know if you can see it that well, but that's 106, 107. It's a double site, but it's really nice. And I think that I might talk my family into maybe coming and checking it out with us sometime.
There was recent storm damage in the park, and this tree was pretty close to one of the campsites. The staff told us of a tree down in another area where a tent had been. Fortunately, the campers had packed up and slept in their car. According to the Missouri State Park website, there are basic and electric campsites scattered throughout the park. The sites are asphalt sites, with some being flat and level, but some may require more leveling. Current rates in 2024 depend upon weekday, weekends, and holiday rates. Basic sites run from $12 to $17, 30 amp from $19 to $27, and 50 amp from $21 to $29. Family sites, of course, are higher. There are fees for changing a reservation or cancellations. You can check out all the details on the Missouri State Park's website. There are hammock restrictions, so check those out before hanging a hammock. And also, don't leave your trash in fire rings. It is considered littering, and fines and/or jail time is possible. Raccoons and squirrels can wreak havoc on trash anywhere, so keep that in mind. This campground beach is used by campers only. It offers changing areas and restrooms. Trucks typically aren't allowed on the beach, but considering this was the Missouri Department of Natural Resources, we won't say much. The beach was open today. The water monitoring signs are posted outside of all the beaches. The public beach is across from the marina, but far enough that boats going in and out are not an issue. The day use area is shaded and has nice picnic shelters you can reserve for larger family gatherings and picnics. We have always found it to be a very nice setting. The marina is a full-service marina, which offers a bar and grill, boat rentals, and a store. You can buy t-shirts, caps, and that bag of ice you might have needed. Now that breakfast is over, it's time to take a hike. The Bluff Ridge Trail sign says it's 2 miles long, but in actuality, it is really 1.8 miles according to the brochure. The trail offers woodland areas and takes you to a bluff overlook, which is the highlight of the trail.
We're on the Bluff Ridge Trail today, and we're trying to get a 2-mile hike in before the rain starts. The Corps of Engineers, or the Department of Natural Resources, I guess, are doing a prescribed burn in this forest to try to restore the natural ecosystem.
Not currently, but they have done it in the past, and you can really tell by the beauty around here.
So we're going to enjoy our hike. I'm overlooking.
Just too many dad jokes. So this might be new since we were here last.
The thing about this trail is it runs along the backside of Buck Ridge Campground, so it's really hard to take any wrong turns, you know, because we could turn a 2-mile hike into a 5-mile hike. But right up there's our camper. So
this will take you back to our camper, which is right there, or you can go back to the trailhead if you go that way. Normally we take that one back, but since we're right here and we started from here, we're gonna take it. That's our camper over there. And here's the end of the trail if you come out this way. We are under 2 miles doing it this way. But that being said, we knew where it was just a repeat of the first part of the trail. And you can take the rest of the trail and it's just a mile. So
The Western Wallflower Trail is a 0.8-mile trail that offers savanna and glade landscapes.
So we are going to do the Western Wallflower Trail. It's blazed in green, a 0.8-mile loop, and it looks like the Missouri Department of Natural Resources is restoring unique habitats through the park system, and they're using prescribed burns. And so the burning discourages growth of invading trees and shrubs and encourages growth of prairie grasses and wildflowers, which are native. So that is how they are attempting to prevent invasive species of trees and things. So our last trail of the day is a 1,000th mile trail. Don't know why they really call it that, but it is a 1 mile loop and blazed in red, and it goes along the bluff. So there's some really pretty views that we'll be showing you.
This trail shows the ongoing efforts to remove red cedars that are invasive and to restore the glade area. The trail leads to the bluff with scenic overlooks of Truman Lake. We did learn that the name of the trail was named accordingly. It marks the 1,000th mile of trails in the Missouri State Park system. Hence the 1,000th mile trail.
Thank you.
At the top of the bluff, you will find several concrete foundations. We are not sure what this area was before, but if you know, please leave in the comments.
Little fire ring on the top of the cliff. We're not sure what these foundations are, but if anybody knows if this used to be like a little fish camp, fish village before the lake came in, just leave us a message in the comments. So here's some more concrete from back in the day. This must have been a pretty happening place back when that was just a river. I can see why the view would be amazing, and it is.
The original park office burned several years ago, making way for the new office. The staff were welcoming, and the interesting carving of Truman's face was actually fun to look at. Along the wall are photos of Truman, as well as a display of various furs and skeletons of local wildlife. As expected, it did begin to rain, and we had to move the cast iron cooking underneath the awning. But tonight's menu, stuffed green peppers in a Dutch oven.
Little steam. Oven at 350 for 25 minutes.
Fabulous.
So we are wrapping up right now at the dump station and finishing up our 4 days. We had a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will be coming along with us again next time. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment. What's some of your favorite campsites here at Truman State Park? We loved 108. We will come back. I do believe we do like that site a lot. So anyway, tell us what you think.